Hello IG Garage family. If your scanner is showing the P2415 code, don't ignore it. Because this code is related to your vehicle's exhaust gas recirculation system, also known as the EGR system. And if left unresolved, it can increase engine temperature, reduce fuel economy, increase NOx emissions, and affect overall engine performance. What does P2415 mean? P2415 stands for Exhaust Gas Recirculation System Performance, Stuck Closed. In simple words, the ECU has detected that the EGR valve is stuck in the closed position or is not opening when commanded. The EGR system sends a controlled amount of exhaust gas back into the intake manifold. This lowers combustion temperatures and reduces harmful nitrogen oxide NOx emissions. When the EGR valve stays closed, no exhaust gas is recirculated. As a result, combustion temperatures become higher than normal, the engine produces more NOx emissions, and the ECU stores the P2415 trouble code. Common symptoms: if your vehicle has P2415, you may notice: check engine light on, engine knocking or pinging during acceleration, poor fuel economy, reduced engine performance, engine hesitation, higher engine temperatures, failed emissions inspection, and increased NOx emissions. On some vehicles, you may also notice rough acceleration or reduced power while climbing hills. Component location. Now let's talk about location. The EGR valve is usually mounted between the exhaust manifold and the intake manifold. Many modern vehicles also use an EGR cooler, an EGR position sensor, and an EGR control solenoid. Depending on the vehicle, the EGR valve may be electrically operated or vacuum controlled. Because it handles hot exhaust gases, carbon deposits often build up inside the valve over time. The most common causes of P2415 include carbon buildup causing the EGR valve to stick closed, faulty EGR valve, faulty EGR position sensor, damaged wiring harness, loose or corroded electrical connectors, faulty EGR control solenoid, blocked EGR passages, or ECU problems. In rare cases, carbon deposits inside the EGR valve are the most common cause of this code. Quick diagnosis: start by scanning for additional EGR-related trouble codes. Inspect the EGR valve for heavy carbon buildup. Check the electrical connector and wiring for damage or corrosion. Monitor the EGR position sensor using a professional obd2 scanner. Command the EGR valve to open with a scan tool and verify that it responds correctly. Also inspect the EGR passages to make sure they are not blocked by carbon deposits. How to fix P2415: clean the EGR valve and EGR passages. Replace the EGR valve if it is stuck or damaged. Repair damaged wiring. Replace a faulty EGR position sensor or EGR control solenoid if necessary. Clear the code, start the engine, and perform a complete road test while monitoring live EGR data to confirm the repair. Final result: fixing P2415 will restore proper EGR operation, reduce combustion temperatures, improve engine performance, increase fuel economy, lower harmful NOx emissions, and help your vehicle run smoothly and efficiently again. If this video helped, subscribe to IG Garage and comment your vehicle make and model for more diagnostic help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.